Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinars, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is key for enhancing our performances and for our growth as professionals. With this principle in mind, TechGig has initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give a crisp insight of various domains. Today's session is fourth in the series, and topic for the webinar is Benefits and Drawbacks of Cutting-Edge ERP Options. We are delighted to have Mr. Sriram Ramji, Software Development Manager at Value Technologies Private Limited with us today. Mr. Sriram works with Value Technologies as a Software Development Manager. Gentlemen, this presentation will continue for next 45 minutes and we will take your questions after the presentation. In the meanwhile, you can post your queries through the chat pane available in the webinar software. Without further ado, I introduce you to our guest speaker, Mr. Sriram.
Thanks, everyone. Can everyone see the presentation?
Yes, we can see the presentation.
Okay, good. So, yeah, okay, good. So thanks everyone for joining in on this presentation. So I'm Sriram Ramji. I'm a software development manager with Value Technologies Private Limited, based out of Delhi, an e-commerce company based out of Delhi. I have overall 13 years of software development experience, and pretty much most of it has been on enterprise applications space, in that space. Prior to this, I was working with Oracle as a development manager, managing the PeopleSoft product development team based out of Bangalore. So that's a quick intro about me. So let's get started on today's topic, the benefits and drawbacks of cutting-edge ERPs. Enterprise applications, or ERPs in general, are a pretty complex software. So consequently, any decision to go with an ERP for any organization, whether it's small, medium, large, irrespective of it, it's a pretty complicated and a very difficult decision. Courtesy of a number of software applications that are available, options that are available in terms of size, cost, deployment, variations, and everything. And each one of those come with its own pros and cons. So, well, benefits far outweigh the drawbacks in any ERP. Both these factors have to be taken fully into consideration, understood clearly before any decision is taken by the organization. So in our presentation today, we will cover the benefits of cutting-edge ERPs, benefits and drawbacks in general, and then I'll just go into a little bit detail on the ERP options that are available from a deployment perspective. Because I know there are other sessions where you're talking about general ERP selection process, so I'll concentrate here on generate benefits and drawbacks, and also talk a little bit about the deployment options that are available, which is In-Premise, which is a traditional setup, the SaaS model, which is pretty popular nowadays, and hybrid, which is coming up. So let's dive down into the benefits part of it to start with. Enterprise applications in general, as I said before, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks in any ERP, and benefits